Welcome to a Gremlin Watch, where we look for local gremlins. Gremlins are naturally timid animals and try to stay away from humans, though they enjoy staying in areas such as these, where they can hide in the long grass and frolic with such friends as sheep, which are over there, but you can't quite see them. Oh no! What is this? I have spotted a gremlin! Quick! The gremlin runs! He's not very graceful, but by God are they exciting to watch. Gremlins enjoy the sunny days and are actually very rarely found in England, as usually the weather is rainy and cold. This one is enjoying hunting for wild berries, but it's actually dressed rather well for a gremlin. Usually they dress in rags or pillowcases, but this one has found some clothes off the street that don't actually look that bad. Must have found something. Scared of the helicopter. This gremlin has learned to feed off grass, as there is plenty of it in this field. A female gremlin, although sometimes they can act aggressive, so you can get the sexes mixed up. It's a baking hot day, so the gremlin is in its prime. But with a pale complexion, it can easily get burned. It's struggling to eat the grass, because naturally they are meat eaters. Although I've got a strange suspicion that this one is vegetarian. This one looks like it hasn't eaten in a few days, as it seems to be very hungry. It's now displaying its dominance over the surrounding area, possibly angry at the grass it's being forced to eat. Or maybe it's his way of cleaning itself. We have no idea. I don't know whether to go and get some help. I assume that this is normal behavior for gremlins in these areas. Obviously, because they're so rare, not many people fully understand how and in what ways they work. This one seems to be happy. It's off. Oh, shit, got a little bit too close to us just then. It's okay. Feeding off the berries again. Seems to be maybe a more preferred choice of dining. 2 hours later, my camera crew picked up a gremlin, but this one wasn't moving. It was sleeping. So I stole the chance to get right up close and personal. It sleeps on its side, the occasional twitch of feet, basking in the sunlight. I don't know. Oh my God, it's awake. Come back, come back. We're not quite sure. Holy shit. Okay, everyone. We're being attacked by gremlins. We don't know. We don't know if it's safe to be around or not. I obviously got too close to its habitat just then. Maybe it's angry that I scared off his sheep friends. There needs to be a lot more finding out on the gremlin race. There it is. It's going down to the watering hole to feed. I must be careful to not get too close to this one. This morning, this gremlin has clearly grown tired of eating only greenery and has decided to go for a more meatier prey. Travel slowly to not startle it, and I must neither startle the gremlin. Slightly confused, it makes a run for its money. But today seems to be an unlucky one for the gremlin. Obviously scared of the sheep on the hill. Sadly, all lives must come to an end. But this gremlin's life was cut too short, as it fled from the sheep it once tried to kill. So this ends today's documentary on gremlins. I'm sure we will come up with other documentaries of other weird creatures of the world. This gremlin says goodbye to you all, or would have done if it spoke English or was still alive. Goodbye for now. Thanks for watching.